Welcome. We're going to do a few yoga poses, which is really good for people who sit for long hours at their desk, at their work. And if you have lower back pain, you will benefit from these poses. Let's start in all fours. Hands below your shoulders, knees below your hips. Spread your fingers wide. We will do cat-cow 5 times, but we're going to do it very slowly and segmentally. So arch your lower back, then middle back, and then upper back. Take your head up, shoulders back on your inhale. On your exhale, round your lower back, middle back, and then upper back, head goes down. 4 more, segmentally, slowly. Arch your lower, middle, upper back. Your head goes up last. Keep your head high. Round your lower, middle, upper back, head goes down last. 3 more. Inhale, extension to the spine. Exhale, flexion to the spine. When you arch the spine, belly goes down, head goes up, opening the chest. And when you round your back, your spine, belly goes up, head goes down. 1 more. Great. Then from here, bring your spine to neutral position. Neutral means you're not rounding, you're not arching. Then curl your back toes under, lift your knees, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Hands are shoulder distance apart, feet are hip distance apart. If it bothers your hamstrings or your lower back, bend your knees gently, or bend your right knee and then bend your left knee. Or you can keep your legs straight. Head goes down, softening the neck, engaging your arms, engaging your legs. Then after 5 breaths, knees down, find yourself in child's pose. Arms forward, chin on the mat or forehead on the mat. Taking your chest down, any amount that works for you. And really sit out. Practice these poses and then let me know if you have any questions.